Hey Brooks, I spoke with Mario this morning and I came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can begin to do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how we can grow your business online, give me a call so we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take the tips I've given you in the video and put this into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback in the video at the end. So let's jump right into it. 3 major things I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is basically anything that you can see on this homepage in writing, and even what your pictures are and what they're saved as is considered content. Now, Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a homepage that you can fit a lot of your keywords throughout. You could put 1 keyword per every 100 words, and we'll get into your keywords shortly. But as you can see, you have about 300 words on your homepage at the moment. So I did a quick search for Plumber Las Vegas, Nevada, and Larkin Plumbing Services coming up first. So I wanted to see what kind of content he has. And as you can see, he does have some content, but not much. Nowhere near the 1,500 that Google likes to see. So if you were to go out and get 1,500 words of optimized, keyword-rich content, you would easily beat him in that aspect. So I'm going to break down Google for you. As you can see, I did a normal search for Plumber Las Vegas, Nevada. And all these companies up here are ads. These companies are paying big money to be advertised up here. And honestly, I feel like it's a waste of money. If you're ranking in these other 2 sections down here, you'll be getting plenty of traffic and don't need to fork out the pay-per-click money for these ads to be up here. So let's touch base on this middle section. And in this middle section, this is called the GMB or Google Map Packs. And what dictates your ranking in this section is a citation. Now, citations are your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. In Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, or even Facebook's one of them. So as you can see, DMS is in first place. And I have this tool I use called WhiteSpark CA. It's a local citation finder that I pay for monthly. And I plugged in DMS's information. And as you can see, he has 58 citations. Very beatable. Very beatable. So the best part about this tool is we can click on his citations, and as you can see, all his sources are laid out right here to be submitted for your business. Each red dot means submittable. So now these aren't created equal. This DA shows how powerful it is. So 100 being the strongest, down to 0 being the weakest. So you want strong citation sources. And I like to go and add 80 to 100 to your GMB listing to beat these guys out by a landslide. Plus to get your name out there in more directories so people can find you. So that's a citation. Now the third thing I wanted to talk about was backlinks, and that's what ranks you in this organic section. Now a backlink is when one website links to another website via hypertext. I'm sure you've seen them before where there's blue writing on a website, you click on it, it takes you to another website. Well, Google loves those and considers them votes. Every backlink you have is considered a vote from that other website. The more votes you have, the higher you'll rank. So now backlinks aren't created equal either, just like the citations. You want relative sites linking back to your website rather than, say, Pizza Hut, because you don't sling pizzas for a living, you're a plumber. So I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and as you can see, I plugged in your website, and this will show me a basic overview of all your stats. Now, this shows me that you have 120 websites giving you 279 backlinks. And these aren't created equal, like I said. The only ones that are really transferring any power are these do follow links, and you only have 7 of them at the moment. That's okay. So let's look at your competition. Larkin Plumbing, he was in first place. He only has 218 websites giving him 1,000 backlinks, but only 101 of them are transferring any power. Good part about this is we can click on his referring domains and see where he's getting all his backlinks and go and submit all these for your business. Now we know it's working for him to rank in that first position, so it'll work for you. And then we go and add some more powerful ones to your website, and then you're up above him in no time. Anyways, I wanted to touch base on some keywords with you. As you can see, you're ranking for 147 keywords. So you're ranking for Vegas Strong Plumbing, Vegas Strong, Bumblebee, your name. You want more general keywords like Las Vegas HVAC. Here we go. 500 searches a month. It's a 28 KD, but you're on the 2nd page for that. You're in the 18th position. HVAC Las Vegas, 150 searches a month for that. 20th, you're in the 2nd page. Las Vegas Air Conditioning Service, 100, you're on the 2nd page. Best HVAC Las Vegas, 30. Air Conditioning Las Vegas, 600 searches a month. HVAC Las Vegas, Nevada, 50 searches. but you're losing a lot of traffic because you're not ranking at the top. You know, when people type this into Google each and every month, they're going either in this map pack section or they're going right here, whoever's in first, because he's the most trustworthy. So let's touch base on what we talked about. First thing we went over was 1,500 words on your content on your homepage, so you could fit those keywords throughout it. And then you start adding backlinks to your website to power it, and then you'll start ranking. Second thing I wanted to talk about was the citations. I'd say get 100 to 200 of these for your business. Beat these 3 out by a landslide and get in this map pack, and you'll start seeing some real change in traffic coming to your website. Plus, it's getting your name out there in more directories. The third thing we talked about was backlinks. You guys need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Brooks, and thanks, Mario, for getting this over to you. And remember, any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. Just drop me a line in the email and let me know what you thought about this video. And I'm here to chat whenever you're ready. Thank you.